For SSSVC 2019, we Aerovengers has been sticking on our motto, child safety, our priority. Our aim is to spark awareness in all levels of ages, especially the younger generations, with the importance of seatbelt and to find solution for unaffordable child booster. Based on our interview, most of the kids really hate to wear seatbelt because of uncomfortable and pain due to friction.
Suka tak pakai seatbelt?
Tak.
Kenapa?
Sebab tak selesa.
Sakit?
So, we ask for professional opinion.
That one I can say, majority of them never taken care of that. Never give the lesson for the children about that. That's why when I heard you want to talk about this, I'm really happy because parents cannot educate their children. Because nowadays parents, they like to listen to their children. Majority of my children's parents are using Velfire. So Velfire, everything is automatic. Okay? So when you can see the children are running behind them.
We found the solution. However, we have other options. Anti-Strangulation adapter for seatbelt, ASAS. It reduces the friction that causes discomfort. Besides, it's cheap and cost-effective. The production of ASAS is less than 20 ringgit. All parents with different socio-economic status can own it. Furthermore, it is washable and hygienic. It is made up of washable strong fabric and cushion that is very hard to torn. In addition, ASAS is attractive. Soft toys can be chosen by the kids according to their interests, such as My Little Pony and many more. This can encourage kids to wear seatbelt. Next, ASAS is portable. Finally, it is adjustable.
Do they make sure that their kids wear seatbelt, especially they're in the car?
Yeah, of course, definitely, because I'm also, when we are going for any place, my children are wearing the seatbelt.
Children are the future of tomorrow. The posterity is sure to lead the nation to greater heights. Child safety, our priority.